Hi there. Hello. Hi, viewers. Welcome to part 2 of interjections or exclamatory phrases in Nigerian Pidgin English. This is BDNP. My name remains Bafo. Emphatic expressions are a fun part of Nigerian Pidgin English. A lot of people might simply not understand the body language that accompanies these interjections when Nigerians use them. Stick with me and learn some of them. As I did in part 1, I will take you through them in numbers. Number 1, disbelief. How can? Or using the expression with the nose jolted upwards at somebody. Number 2, emphatic expression for yes. Life. Anna. Example. You will go the party with us. Life. Anna. Emphatic expressions for no. Number 3. Remember, and with a one-syllable sound means yes. When the syllables increase to 2, it means no. No na. Number 3, no way. Say waiting. Say would die. Say waiting now. Say would die now. For where? Example. You go buy car for your shenkers. Say would die. Say would die now. For where? You can drag the where. Number 4, to express utter disgust, anger, disapproval in Nigerian Pidgin English, we do this. This is one of the most common interjections used in Nigerian Pidgin English. The sound might be a little difficult for most foreigners, but with a little bit of practice, you surely get it. Let's practice. Protrude your lips and draw air inwards noisily. Difficult, right? Continue trying it. Another emphatic word to show disgust is abeg, abeg, abeg. Abeg, abeg, abeg. Or you can just say Abegeeee. Abegeeee. Number 5, agreement. This is like saying yes as well, but with a bit of an extra twist to it. You can say Anna, correct. No wahala. No kai. No lele. No shaking. Number 6, disagreement. This is just like saying no as well. No na. No. For where? I no gree. I no gree. Number 7, quiet. Shh. Shh. Fem. Fem. I know one year, pim. Example. If I hear pim, you go know how far. Number 8, calling one's attention. Hey. Hey, you. Hey. Sss. 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 In Nigerian Pidgin English, to attract someone's attention from a distance, it can sound rude if you do that. especially to the opposite sex or in a formal environment. So please don't do it. Number 9, calming someone down. It is well. It is well. Example, easy o. It is well. Relax. Chill now. Take am easy. Accepting praises. Na God. Na Baba God. Na God na. You want try? Example, your level don't change. Response, na God. Na Baba God now. Na God now. Let's see another example. You tell a lady, for example, you look sweet, die. She might say, na God. You won't try. Number 11, problems. If you see or smell problem looming, the emphatic expression to use in Nigerian Pidgin English are, hey, wahala. Ah, kasala. Hey, Abegee. Yawa. I don't enter. Number 12, all right. No she. No kai. Example, na shakba ideo, raise me now. Response, no she. No kai. Check alert. Number 13, right. Bam. Bam. Example, I know they go anywhere. Response, bam. Number 14, knocking. Kokoko. 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 Example, kokoko. Somebody their house. Number 15, sha. It is used to emphasize sentences or like an emphasis in sentences. For example, na your fault, sha. You go help me, sha. Sha make we dey go. Number 16, really? It's like a surprise, right? Example, Bola just land jammed. Response, This is where we land the plane on this concluding part of some Nigerian Pidgin English emphatic expressions. If you have any questions or contributions to this topic, please send them to the comments below. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep it locked on BDNP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name remains Bafo. Peace is in. Bye.
Don't go yet. Check out these extra idioms. Shebi. Shebi black dey beautiful. You dey ready to go, Shebi? Shebi. Oya. Oya now. Oya, oya. Oya, make we go. Oya now, answer me. Oya, oya, now your turn. Oh. Oh. Oh, I no tell you make you no go. She you go come my house later. She then they okay with my decision. Now. Why you do that now? Now.